Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Storm Track 7 yellow alert coming up here for the chance of snow. Locally heavy snow, not the amount, but the intensity of the snow, making travel a bit difficult here tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. Then a possibility here on Saturday. Saturday is a little more uncertain than Friday. Wind. That's a concern tomorrow. Not tonight, though. The wind is light. That's good news because temperatures will be dropping down below zero around midnight, and then temperatures will slowly start to warm. We'll show you that numbers there in just a second. But first, the wind. That is going to be an issue late afternoon or afternoon into the evening hours. And notice the wind gust to be near 30, 35 miles an hour. Now, remember the timing here. This is during, I'll say, 3 o'clock. We'll say some of the stronger wind right in there. 3, 6 o'clock. Now, remember that time frame. During the overnight hours, sky will be clear until very late. After over 4 o'clock, clouds will move into the picture. Start out the day, clouds. It'll be dry during the morning hours. I think it's as the afternoon rolls around. Notice the time, 3 o'clock. Remember the time on the wind, 4 o'clock. So this is all spinning up some heavier snow and then the gusty winds. This rolls through during your evening commute. It will be a little nasty at times. Visibility reduced because of the snow as well as the wind blowing around. This is 7 o'clock, so your evening commute out for Valentine's Day. Little slick, so please be careful. And then this moves away, and still a little bit of snow, but by midnight is when we'll have that 1 to 3 inch total across eastern Iowa. After that, just a couple of snow showers possible. Now the question comes, what happens on Saturday? There is a pretty decent chance at some snow. Exactly where that band of snow lines up, still a little uncertain. It's been all over the place in the computer data as for where that band of snow is going to line up. Right now, Future Track says south. The update previous to this says it was to the north. So somewhere in eastern Iowa, we are going to see another 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches of snow on Saturday. It will be windy on Saturday as well, so that could cause some travel problems. We still don't know exactly where. We know that it will, but where is this? This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Notice the snow band is right in here. This is till noon, so snow could be a little heavy in some locations. 2, 3, maybe up to 4 in some isolated areas. But exactly where that is, still yet to be determined. So stay up to date as we get a little closer to the day on Saturday. We'll have a better handle on this as we get into tomorrow, as we head into that time frame. So now, the cold for tonight. Temperatures will drop down to maybe about 8 below around midnight. Wind chills, teens to about 20 degrees below zero most of the night. Clouds increasing. Now notice the temperatures increasing as we get towards sunrise. It will be above the zero mark, but wind chills still down below zero. As we head into the day, temperatures warming into the 20s around here. Still colder than normal. 32 is our normal high this time of year, but there's your wind, there's your snow in the afternoon and evening hours. So your morning looks to be okay. Early afternoon, a little iffy. Then things start to get a little dicey as we get towards the mid to late afternoon hours. Then as we look ahead, there's your snow forecast, 1 to 3 inches for tomorrow and tomorrow night. After that, again, some uncertainty on how things play out as we get into the day on Saturday. But it's still going to be windy around here on Saturday, and wherever it does snow, they'll have some issues. And then this wind, even if it doesn't fall in your backyard, it'll have some blowing snow, especially out in the open country. If you're in town, probably not as bad. Temperatures not too bad in the 20s. Near zero, not warming very much here on Sunday. And it's going to be windy. So wind chills, teens, 20s, maybe probably teens below zero here on Sunday. Small chance for a snow shower. I think that will be right now to our southern counties. If it does occur, it will be probably more down into parts of Missouri, some snow. Then as we look towards Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, dry conditions, but that cold. Single-digit highs, double-digit overnight lows down below zero. Wind chills at times could be down into the 20s below zero with any little wind, even a 5 or 10 mile an hour wind. Dry conditions here for Friday, clouds here on Saturday, dry on Sunday as temperatures slowly warm back into the 20s and 30s.